Hello guys, and welcome to the second series I'm making on how to code. My friend proposed me to make a series on how to make a piggy game, an escape game. So that's what I'm gonna do. So link in the description to a model I made, and there's gonna be this character in it, keys folder, doors folder, and basically here we're going to do. You're going to notice, I believe in the upper, a part called key bag. Don't worry about that. You're gonna go to starter. You're gonna take the starter character and drag him into starter player, and then leave everything as it is right now. If you want, you can go ahead in the keys folder and delete the check keys script because I was just messing around with code. But basically, what you're going to do, inside of Star GUI, you are going to add a screen GUI, and then you're going to add an image label and then a text label, and you're going to drag the text label inside the image label, and then you're going to drag the image label wherever you want, and then you're going to scale them how you want. And I think I'm going to do this. Actually, no, I'm actually gonna make it on a frame to make things a bit more clean. Doesn't really matter how you do it. It matters that it works and that it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. That was too much. I'll scale it. I scaled it too wide. And then I'm gonna there, and then I'm gonna there. I'm gonna select those two, and I'm going to go to background transparency 0, border size pixel 0. So then you're going to go to the frame, and you're going to make the you're going to add a UI corner into it, and then in the image label you can also add a UI corner if you want. And so now you have this pretty nice UI right here. And that once they have that UI, we want to start coding. So you're actually going to add a local script inside of the image label, and inside you're going to type in, don't get confused, okay? Local players equals game.players. Local player identificator equals player.localPlayer, and then local find player equals workspace wafer child player identificator dot name. And then to make it, instead of typing find player, we just want to type player, so local player, or even easier plr, or you can go char like for a character equals find player. And then you're going to make a while loop. So while true do wait 0.001 every frame is gonna check something. So if not player, since we changed to char, if char find first child key, then where I want to make it visible, so script.parent.visible equals true, then script.parent.image equals rbx asset id column / // and then dot char dot key dot num dot value. So actually in the keys, if you check inside the keys, you are going to find 3 parts, unions called keys, and inside there's gonna be a number. For this one, I went ahead and searched a green key image, and I took this one. I took only the numbers and put this and put it inside the number value. So if you want, for example, a purple key, I'm gonna go ahead and make it purple. I'm gonna go ahead and search purple key. And okay, there is none, so I'm gonna make this one red. How about red? And then I'm gonna search red key, And okay, I have the exact image by the same person. I'm gonna actually only take the numbers, and then I'm gonna paste the numbers inside the number value called num. And so there we go. Second of all, back into the script, we're going to write script.parent.text label dot text equals, well, char dot key, oops, that's lowercase, key dot brick color dot name, then dot space key, and then we're going to type in else script.parent.visible equals false. So you can go ahead and customize your the character. And before I do that, the doors will not open unless the key is the same color as the lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this lock, the door, and this lock door, I'm gonna go inside key and key 2, and I'm going to change their color, because oh yeah, no, you don't have to actually. You're gonna go to the keyhole, and then you're going to change it to the color of the key you want to. So this one is really red. So I'm gonna go ahead inside here and go to the keyhole, and instead of lime green, I'm gonna put the really red. And now you can open it. So if you try it out, you're gonna spawn in. Here it doesn't show up, and then if I take the red key, it's gonna say really red key. Take the green one, lime green key, really blue key, and then new yellow key. I'm gonna go ahead and open the new yellow door. It's gonna have a smooth transition, well, not transition but animation, and then it disappears the image. So but we want the thing to disappear when you don't have it. And so I think I did something wrong in the code. So else equals false. Okay, so I can go ahead and make it. Oh, because it's only talking about the image label. We want the whole thing, even the frame. So it's gonna be script.parent dot parent dot visible equals true. And actually this line we are going to use it in here. And now if you press play, I can go ahead and close the output. It okay, that's is okay. Huh. Script.parent.visible. Oh, I put it into true. No, I copy. Oh, I forgot to change it back to false. Okay, that was my fault. That it didn't work. Be sure to set it to false. And now, if you join it, it disappears. I can go ahead and grab the red key, try to open the green door, and it's not gonna do anything. But if I go to the red door, it's gonna disappear, and it's gonna unlock the door. And there we go. Yep. There we go. As you can see, it says required key does exist. It's in the script of every key. There you go. It's gonna unlock, and then finally, it is going to unlock. Now we have a working key and door system. Next, we'll have to work on the crouch. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one. And I hope you will enjoy the next episodes of this tutorial. And as always, goodbye!